Finally, our Team Kentucky All-Stars this week are the folks over at the Lincoln Trail Area Development District. I visited the region yesterday to see their new aerial search and rescue drones. They took dollars that they could have put in a lot of places, and they thought about what's next, knowing that we'll have another natural disaster. They thought about what's next, even though they hadn't been directly hit. They knew they would in the future, and they wanted to be there for every other part of Kentucky. In many ways, the parable of the Good Samaritan, making sure that you understand that everyone's your neighbor and the golden rule of being there for them and loving them, they were showing. These drones are going to be able to help us in finding people who need help during widespread disasters. They can do thermal heat imaging to find people in places that may be hard. They can help us with the damage survey so that we can get disaster declarations sooner. And when they're not dealing with a major disaster, they can help find missing persons. So many different ways that these drones are going to help. The achievement was made possible because of teamwork. First, Daniel London and his team at the Lincoln Trail Area Development District, all the judges that make up the leadership of that area development district, the emergency managers, and those in the private sector. We had a bank that also helped in funding this. These are just acts of love that are also very smart ways to think about the future that help us to be better prepared. It was a great event, and just seeing so much of the community turning out, just wanting to do the right thing and to help people was really special. So congratulations, you are this week's Team Kentucky All-Stars.